Hi, I'm Stefan. I'm a data professional and software engineer. Not everyone wants to depend on a job just for monthly paychecks. Financial freedom, at least for me, means to be free to work on whatever you want. For many, programming and investing are completely different worlds until they realize that machine learning engineers are often the best investors. I thought it's time to close this gap. With investing for programmers, I want to teach you how you can use your Python skill to maximize your results. We will look in all the details how to extract data from stocks and how to make smart investment decisions. We will visualize your portfolios, and of course, risk management is not negotiable. I will show you how to balance your portfolios and how to avoid risks. One topics, of course, are also LLMs. They are terrible financial advisors, but as research assistants, they're brilliant. There's one thing I'm super proud of, and this is all the Python code in this book. I believe coding and reading is double the fun than just reading. So, if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me on social media. Otherwise, go to manning.com and order your copy today. Thank you very much and see you on the stock market.